Naturally filtered spring water passes through layers of rock and soil, filtering out impurities and collecting natural minerals. Rich in minerals, it often contains calcium, magnesium, potassium, and other trace minerals that support overall health.
Cheers to Nature Spring Water.
Favorite ko? Coffee ko Blanca.
Delicious ba?
Di lang yarn. Creamy? Di lang yarn. Eto pa, gentle din sa tongue. Coffee ko Blanca with creamy roasted coffee and New Zealand milk. Not only creamy, but gentle sa tummy too.
Delicious creamy coffee, Coffee ko Blanca.
Safeguard by Camellia. Shuk, 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 shuk. Enjoy ang pamilya. Shuk, 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 shuk. Shoo away germs. Shuk, shuk, shuk. Shoo away germs. Shuk, shuk, New Safeguard by Camellia.
Mas pinabango, mas pinalaki, mas pinasulit. Safeguard Family Germ Protection.
Kunin nyo nga.
Dalawa pa. Kuya, wait lang daw. I-videoan daw nila.
Okay na, go na po. Okay na.
Kasi, mag-ano sila.